beautiful view. It is an awesome site out here. We are out in Hampton, all the way at the end. And actually right over here is, just across that water is Poquoson. So we're right at the very end of Hampton, right next to Poquoson. So this was actually a concrete pool deck in here, and the liner had gone bad, and they had to actually install a new tracking system for the liner, so that how it locks in the top, because the old liner that was in here in the old tracking system, actually they don't make that anymore. So he had to do a bunch of concrete work and grinding around the outside edge in order to install a new liner. Well, since they were doing that and putting that time and money into it, they decided, hey, let's go ahead and upgrade this pool. Let's upgrade the look and feel of it. So right now we are installing a paver coping, and then we're installing pavers over the concrete. So this is what a typical overlay looks like, and I want to walk you through it. So right now you can see we've got our screed stand kind of going out all over this whole area here. You got Kevin over there starting to lay pavers. But what we start with is we put this coping in. And so this is a wet set coping right on the edge. And you can just see on these freeform pools, this is a lot of work. So you see how he's got every single piece going all the way around is cut to make sure that that curve just flows and looks the part. So you can see how it just has just a gentle sweep and curve through here. It's beautiful. Takes a lot of work though. So what you can see right now, you see this edge restraint, this plastic right here. Jose's putting it in right now. So that's gonna lock our pavers in. So Kevin's laying the pavers out right now. And so this is gonna be our typical herringbone pattern. And so you can see he's starting to lay them out. And so this entire area here where the sand, where our screed sand is, we put that down because there's some imperfections in the concrete. So rather than grinding the concrete or ripping it out, we're just kind of working with what's here right now and making it work around it. You can also see all these flags laid out. So they have a safety cover that goes over top of this pool, and these eyelets allow that safety cover just to be mounted right in there, and so that, you know, so you can see it's kind of hidden right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to pre-drill all the pavers. We're going to set the pavers back in this same spot, and then we've got new brass tags that are going to go in here so they can install their safety cover once we are done. And those will be put in with like a concrete adhesive, so it's actually an epoxy, and that's what's going to hold it in place and keep it from coming out or popping out as we go along. But as you can see right now, where he's laying those pavers is going to change the entire look. And it wasn't that it was so bad, but you can see these cracks in here that have formed over time. And this is an old pool, but you can just see how they're there, and it just is unsightly. Well, I can't wait for this one to be done, and I'm sure you guys will love it. And these clients will enjoy the look and feel of the space as well. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys following along.